YouTube? Well, this was not expected, but of course you never know what's gonna happen. So basically, I found a 2004 Honda Accord V6 6-speed manual on Craigslist. I just decided to jump on today when I was in class. This thing, they want $3,000 for it. It's got 228K on it. It's silver on black. Anyway, I figured it'd be worth going and looking at because to replace this whole thing, the 01 Accord 4-cylinder 5-speed, because I basically just want a 6-speed. I don't want an automatic. So anyway, we're just down the road. We'll see you there. Hopefully I can get some footage there. If not, I'll just do a summary after.
Yeah, just have them run over here real quick and then sign it and we'll send you back. Okay. Bye. They're at the high school in Silverton, so.
Oh, no worries.
It's about 12 miles away. So.
No worries. I was gonna say, why you don't mind hanging out?
Oh, no, he's got a soccer game. Watching high school soccer. Yeah,
Alright, YouTube. I bought the car. We're cruising home right now. I'm following my dad in the Honda Odyssey right now. It has a nice little auxiliary input, actually. Car so far is great. I'm about to roll over 230,000 miles. So many miles on this car, but awesome. Let's just sit here until that thing rolls over, because that's awesome. So anyway, I ended up getting the car for $2,900. I talked him down $100 because I need to do the T-belt pretty soon. And otherwise, all good. I love this car, and it's so much smoother than the 2001, just because the 2001 needs more work. But I love it. Love it, love it, love it. And also, it has a temperature gauge on the dash, which I freaking love, because for some reason I like checking the temperature a lot. It's just me, though. Alright, there it is. 230,000